Hello, we got something different today. Got a new toy, so let's see what's in the box. Okay, let's figure out how to open this thing up. What is it? What could it be? Okay, so there's some big sort of heavy thing, little thing that makes noise, some little heavy thing, and some instructions. Let's give away the secret. It's an attachment for the tractor to make the trench digging hopefully easier. So I gotta figure out how to put it together and all that fun stuff. And then when there's more daylight, I'll actually put it on the tractor and see if it works. So today is just putting it together. So this is the main piece. Just gotta put the little adapters on and a cutter and whatnot. It's flat. This is the cutting blade. That'll go on here somewhere. Two of those, whatever they are. Da, da, da. So washer stuff, whatever. Directions are very not detailed. So I struggle through this a little. And the exploded diagram helps a little bit. That, and a washer, a lock washer, and then the bolt. And tighten that. And then we'll get the tools in a bit. I'll do this. Lock washer. Put the nut back on. And rest of this, I think, is for the cutting tool. So, looks like one of these there to the indent. And then a washer, a lock washer, and a same for the back one. Washer, lock washer. And this one's a little more challenging because it's more recessed. Like that. Take this nut off. Figure out what size socket I need. We'll do that for one of these two. Alright, so we'll go find sockets. I'll be back. Okay, so it looks like the smaller nut is 9/16. Bigger one is 15/16. Put all this back on here. Washer, lock washer, nut. Go. Hand tighten that. Got the, what is this? The little drive. There it is. 3/8 to 1/2 inch. Got an adapter. Got an extender. And then we get the socket wrench. And tighten this up. Get the extender so we can get in here. Without the extender, I don't think you'd be able to reach this. Okay, so that's nice and tight. Now we put the bigger socket on. Boom. And we'll take this stuff. Hard to stop it from rotating. Come on, stay. This piece is spinning. I'm trying to tighten it. So I need something to hold that. Be right back. Alright, so screwdriver fits in there. pressure. So that helps this from turning and tighten up. These pins were connected to the tractor, which will be some other day. Alrighty. I gave this, which looks like a trailer or hitch thing. Not usually what's used in a tractor. It's usually one of these type pins. Like here, just clip goes into there. So this will go on the back of the tractor, the 3-point hitch. And this will make digging trenches a little easier, hopefully. Check out some future video to see how it works. Oops, got these little cap things. They go on these openings. Now it's done.